Saki Grass, just click it now. Guys, I want to get the MVP. I don't want stolen MVP. Infinite will dominate the northern side, that's for sure. We have to dominate the southern side. Saki Grass, just click it now. Wilby, click it now. Pasana card, Deviling supports. Vision Zero pa, bring your Vision Zero. Claw, advance to the enemy choke point. If anyone's using Tor, please spam your lightning cling. Okay, everyone now speak kick, fast kick, MVP platform, go. Hatred is full guild, guys, Spam skills now. There might be the render delay. Cut cafe up. Expel them, please. Advance, advance, advance. Upper platform, Apex, Apex, upper platform, Apex. Remove their land pro, German. Very good. Stay at the MVP platform, stay at the MVP platform. Manual reso, manual reso. Get the MVP, get the MVP. Push them, push them, push them. Choke them now, Claw. Apex and Boa, lower MVP platform. We have to get the MVP. Push, 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 push. Clearance, 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 manual reso. MVP, please get it, please get it. Infinite got it. Okay, nice one, Tsunamis. Very good. Okay, Apex 2, go to our base now. Claw, claw, claw. Choke this hatred. Choke this hatred, Claw. MVP killers just spread out. I'm going to scout now. They're going to do triple rush. Claw, please choke them, Put the fields on the stairs, guys. Manual reso, manual reso. Don't go down the stairs. Don't go down the stairs. Let them be free so that they will get crystals. No one can triple rush. Apex 2 def now. Apex 2 def now. Apex 2 def now. Apex 2 def now. Apex 2 def. Vision sweep. Apex 1, get ready. Apex 1, go to our junction now. Apex 1. Apex 1, go to our junction now. I will check the middle. Infinite is at 9 o'clock, so we have to take the far. We have to take the far and last is the near. I will check the middle, 43 seconds. Apex 2 should be at our base. Apex 1 at our junction. Don't get broken, guys. Okay, yours is going to rush the middle. That is okay. Puta, puro armalite yung name, Okay, I'm going to check the far. Just choke them, Claw, Claw. Just choke them at the stairs. Don't go down so that they will be free to take the far. Okay, far now is being taken by years also. Okay, this is good. This is good. We're just going to have to take the base defense and then MVP platform secure. I'm going to check the near 9 o'clock. MVP. Okay, infinite. Yours is I think yours is going to do triple rush. It's okay, it's okay. They're getting broken by infinite already. Summon. 9 o'clock. No, they're not getting broken yet. Clock, take 3 o'clock. Run, summon to 3 o'clock, Claw. Okay, nice, broken already. Okay, go back to your positions, go back to your positions. Exojak, defend now, defend. Apex 1 and Apex 2, go back to your positions, defend. Claw, take the 3 o'clock, Claw. Claw, take the 3 o'clock. Okay, Claw. Go back now to our MVP platform. Claw, go back to our MVP platform. Give that to Hatred. People now are going to our base. Apex, please full def now. Expel quickly. Don't let them summon. Expel quickly, expel quickly. This is going to be advantage already. Claw, just hold the claw. Go to MVP platform. After the second, we have after the third MVP. I'm going to ask you to take the middle. Don't waste your effort on the middle. Yours is full guild on the middle. Infinite is taking the northern side, right? They got two MVPs, same as us. We just need to defend quickly. Okay. Apex. Please def fully. Expel them.
Germ on M.
Unreal, and then Eden on the M. MVP. Take the MVP. Okay, we're broken. All Apex now. All Apex go to 9 o'clock. All Apex go to 9 o'clock. All Apex go to 9 o'clock. All Apex go to 9 o'clock now. All Apex go to 9 o'clock. Claw, choke hatred now and then break them. Claw, choke hatred now and break them. Boa, sustain the MVP platform, please. All claw, choke hatred and then break them. Claw, break them. Priority is to break, not to choke. Break them now. Break hatred now. Nice one, look. Break. Claw, break them. Infinite now is also choking them.
It's kind of hard for us because yours is also at the junction.
They're getting broken already. For those who die, when you respawn, please go to the middle. For those who die, if you respawn, go to
All
the
three
middle.
guilds I think are on the jump.
Nice one, Elgex. Please. Nice one, Calix. Okay, go back to MVP platform, all Boa. All Apex. I want you to advance and choke Infinite, please. Boa, I want to secure one more MVP. Infinite is trying to backstab Boa MVP platform, ah. Claw. Take the far. Take the 3 o'clock claw. All claw, take the 3 o'clock. MVP killers, vision syrup now. MVP about to appear. Vision syrup now. Expel all infinite on the MVP platform. Boa, we should take this one. All claw, take the 3 o'clock now. Take the 3 o'clock now. All claw, take the 3 o'clock now. Contest that one. Did we get our South MVP? South MVP, not yet taken. South. Take that one, guys. Take that one. Spread out. Vision syrup. Expel them. Puta, naakawan tayo. Oh, all Apex please choke Infinite. All claw. Go to the middle now. Take the middle now, claw. All claw, take the middle now. Boa, please spread out. Don't choke hatred. I want you to choke Infinite now. All Apex and then all claw go to the middle. Okay, there's a couple of people here at our junction. This is Infinite at our junction. One more shard. Apex, your role is going to be to deny Infinite and to take the 9 o'clock. All Apex. Boa MVP platform. Claw. Go contest the middle. Okay, so this is Omnia. This is Pancho Villa. Take that one. One more MVP, one more MVP. Manuel Reso, Saint, clearance, please, clearance. Just contest, just contest. MVP, one more MVP, one more MVP. Please get the MVP, please get the MVP. South, 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 MVP, MVP, Olbawa, MVP, Olbawa, MVP. Olbawa, MVP. Get that
You got
MVP,
it.
please. Ay, puta. Sayang, oh. We almost win na, we almost win na. Shit. Okay, okay. Yeah, but we don't have one more MVP shard. Klo, go with Boa on the MVP platform now. All Klo and Boa MVP platform now. Apex, hold the 9 o'clock. All Apex, hold the 9 o'clock. MVP killers, MVP lang, please. It's still not over. We're the strongest here.
Full platform ata yung ano, E-Trade.
Full platform.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this one. All Exojak, full platform. Let's go. Everyone, go to platform now.
So,
Apex Boa Klo, summon to the platform now. Kick them, expel them. Give up 9, give up 9. All Exojak, platform now. All Exojak, platform now. Expel them. All platform now. Summon.
triple infinite.
Infinite's going to triple rush na.
Yeah, infinite only.
Platform now. All platform now. Can't do anything about it. They win. Omnia win. Just take the south. Take the south. Take the south. Good one. Good job. Take the south. Take the south.
Hatred got it.
What's happening, guys? Take the south MVP, ah.
Oh, MVP spawned closer to their stairs.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Yeah, guys. I don't know if it is luck or not, but we should have won that one.
Ilan nagsasalita sa Boa?
Anyway, we should have won that. We got a triple crystal and we just need one click of MVP. I don't know what else, how we can further do that. You got overpowered on the MVP, but